cold out. We're going on a trip to Connecticut for lacrosse on Sunday. It's now Thursday. The autopilot keeps kicking us off, so I decided to clean the front windshield under the camera. You're just turning the rearview mirror, the base of it, counterclockwise, about a third of a turn. Then you're going to pull off this cover, which actually pulls straight down. You can use a little pry tool against the windshield if you want. Just know that there's wires attached underneath. I left the wires connected. There's two T10 bolts that gotta come out. And then the back of that plate is on two little clips. It should just swing down. Then from there, just let it hang. Get your favorite Windex. Clean that windshield. They say the off-gassing causes that haze of the plastic. I say it's the cold weather. Then just go through, do everything in reverse. Get those little clips seated. Then from there, put those T10 bolts back in. I struggled with this cover a little bit, but you have to tuck it back under the headliner and move from there. Once it's under the headliner, the clips will go back in the correct